here at Makto and we already ordered food. This is from Chadiunim. So Chadiunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 나가다.
Magkalasa ba sa manok
Wala pa. Jollibee good. Siya gulay gravy. Sure?
Libre man tayo ka, ano ba ito sa dahan ko? Libre mo ka, anak ko. Ako mamili or kamura pa kayo.
Magpilit mo?
Okay, pag-ion sa naale.
Order the one?
Pero dapat makakaulog ng mga
What?
French fries. Is there a Happy Meal? Yeah. Is there a Happy Meal? No. Puro donuts. Lagi kayo. Ito kayo nagka-fries. Apa French fries? Wait. Wait, is it aside sa kamuit ka?
Sorry.
Oh, only chicken soda.
Sinunod ko akong classmate na si Rizal. Nag-share na kayo lang.
Ice cream.
Hindi may demand niya yung cousin. Umang ka-English din siya. Mga anak ko ni, maudi ay nga. Konyo siya ba? Kita trying hard siya mag-Bisaya. Yan, kuwan silang kayo siya mag-Bisaya ba? Pero dili ko mo tan-on yun. Nice siya?
nasi snake,
Oo, this near. No, di daw. Nasi Ivana, nasi... Sa may AC.
Black edition naman. Kita kasi sa snake ka, may bagso.
Ang ganda na ubos na ba?
Mas i-improve pa din. Gusto lang manok eh. What if daw na lang?
Kaon na lang. Mag-send ba ako sa video kaya dito sa Telegram? Ha? Sure?
Ay na nga dahil. Kami ni Gia.
Kura katura? Katura nga tayo?
Namin ko sa Telegram. Alam niyo ako ka-send ko.
Ako lagi ko na naman, asa nang dapit lang mo.
Ay, katulong na yung mga bata.
Sige ba?
Nagabuhat man sa pakat.
Buwan. Kaya may palimutan mo. Kaya kanyang sound sa kuwan dyan.
Okay, so anyong hasayo, this is Teacher Jen of Saakdos. So I have here my level 1 students. So today is March 17. So we are celebrating Jaika's birthday. So Jaika, you have the same birthday of Teacher Vivian. So today is Teacher Vivian's birthday as well. So since this is Jaika's birthday, so Jaika will gonna give out snacks. There you go. Sliced bread with spaghetti inside and Coke. So we have here Coke. There you go. That will be given to the students. But before anything else, let's sing happy birthday to Jaika.
Happy birthday, Jaika. Happy birthday, Jaika. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jaika.
Happy birthday, Jaika.
Happy birthday, Jaika. How old are you?
Okay, so 9 na si Jaika.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Happy birthday. Okay, Jaika, so what's your wish man on your birthday? Sa man mo wish?
Siya on no ka,
Ha? Oh,
Muli na kong papa.
muli na imong papa? Asa man na imong papa ron? Nasa work. So Jaika's father is working in Manila, and Jaika's wish is to see his father. So sige lang kay ma-wish granted na be a good girl lang, okay? So happy birthday, Jaika, and thank you for the snacks. Thank you, Jaika.
Thank you, Jaika.
You're welcome. Sige na. Ikaw na mo. Di mo pasad-pasad ha, guys. So, some of this will be given to level 2 and level 3. Kamsamnida, Jaika. And by the way, I forgot. Nada siya sa ilalom. Nada juice. So, under the bread. So, I haven't saw it. So, by the way, there you go. So, the juice was being distributed and also will be distributed sa level 2. And thank you, Erisha, for helping out in giving out the straws. So there you go. Kamsamnida, Jaika. Okay, so this is my level 2. Some was not yet here because they are changing their clothes. Shane, Rian, and is it Althea? So they are still changing clothes because they went from school. So they just arrived from school. Okay, so I will be giving you snacks, and this is from Jaika because today is Jaika's birthday. And if you don't know, today is also Teacher Vivian's birthday. So dungan day sila birthday. So yeah. And so greet na lang mo ni Jaika diha. Happy birthday, Jaika.
Happy birthday, Jaika.
Thank you for the snack.
Thank you for the snack.
Okay, so I will be giving out sliced bread. Okay, so there you go. So Jaika's birthday celebrated with the students. So she already have given sliced bread with spaghetti on it and Coke and juice. There you go.